Meaning of green manure.
Green manure.
Green manure.
Green manure.
Green manure. Green manure refers to the practice of growing crops specifically for the purpose of enriching the soil. These crops are typically plowed back into the soil before they reach maturity in order to add organic matter and nutrients to the soil. This helps to improve soil fertility, soil structure, and soil health overall. Additionally, green manure crops can help to suppress weeds, control erosion, and increase water retention in the soil. In essence, green manure is a sustainable and environmentally friendly way of improving soil quality and promoting healthy plant growth.